What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Gardening with Barchuckin. This is the second week checking in on the worm tower, the Vermihut. Ooh, there's a little bit of moisture up on the lid. There's a little moisture on the lid, but nobody's crawling around on it, which is good. Let's see the very bottom here. Let me take that glove off for a second. Okay, so that's still nice and dry, which is good. Haven't had a lot of big feedings or anything, so it should stay. Oh, let's get this back in. Yeah, I haven't had any big feedings, so it should stay dry for now. Okay, still kind of damp, which is good. I had 2 pieces of cantaloupe that I had here in the center. Okay, a few guys in that feeding area. I'm not seeing any of this of the skin yet from the cantaloupe. You still see the large pieces of paper that I put at the bottom. Okay, get everything kind of refluffed back up. I got him a nice piece of pumpkin. A friend that I bowl with had 3 pumpkins, and they ended up freezing outside, so he gave them to me. So I was able to chop them up. I kept some and then stuck the rest into the compost pile. I'll go ahead, add a little bit of the ground up eggshell. Okay, cover that up. Yeah, I'm pretty pleased with the moisture. It's not real damp, but it's staying moist, which is good. Oh, that's a little skin from like a tomato that I put in a while back when I actually baited them out. I'll give them a nice pinch of the worm chow. And that actually even has just a little bit of ground up eggshell in it too. It also has the expired oats, flour, and some cornmeal. I'll do a quick peek underneath just to see. Oh, I don't know if I'll be able to get it on here or not. Looks like a worm there. Oh, and there was a worm there. He ended up pulling back in. There was a worm there. There's a worm there. So they started making their way down. So that's kind of neat. When I did the fluffing, I didn't notice any big rips or holes in that newspaper that's right underneath, but maybe they've started finding their way. So before long, I'll have the worms up top and down below. Once again, another kind of quick feeding. Not too much going on with the bin. Liking where the moisture is right now, and they went ahead and did a great job with the 2 small pieces of cantaloupe that I added. So the worms are doing a great job getting throughout the bin now, starting to populate this top, and then even working their way down to the bottom. Well, thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.